Hi, welcome back to another DIY. I'm going to be making this baby shower sash. It's a unicorn theme, so I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. So I started off by using this 1.5-inch ribbon. It's gross grain and it is 80 inches. Then I will be getting a white piece of felt and cutting it in half. And this will be the portion that is going to be towards the belly. These maternity sashes are very popular right now. You can use them for the baby shower, you can use them for maternity photo shoots. They're very cute. This one in particular, it's a unicorn one and it's very popular right now. So here, as you guys can see, I'm just going to be adding a little bit of hot glue and gluing the ribbon on top of the felt. Next I will be adding this unicorn horn. I just traced it over this glitter fake leather sheets. I purchased this one at Hobby Lobby. I've been using a lot of this for a lot of my crafts. You can also use like the glitter foamies. They have these sheets, they're about 10 by 12s, and you can purchase these from any of these craft stores. I know Joanne carries them, Michael's definitely carries them, and I think they sell them in packs of 10. But you can do it in any color. I just decided to use gold. And then the ears, I also did that. I traced them out on paper first and then I cut them over the foamy glitter. Next I will be adding this decorative trim. It's ivory, they're just little pearls, and these are just going to be hanging off at the bottom. I purchased this from Hobby Lobby, and I also will be adding some gold here in a minute. Most of these trims you can find in different colors. I just decided to use the pearl ones, but I was also thinking of adding, some pink and teal, but I didn't have any currently, but I know they do carry them. Also, when working on any of these mats that have like the inches and squares and so forth, it's very easy for you to work with them because you can see like where your midway point is on any of your crafts. Like for example here, I'm going to be putting some of these gold pearls, and I know exactly where the halfway point is, and it's, I don't know, it's just helpful to me. It maybe can be helpful to one of you guys. Just keep it in mind. So here I am done adding all my pearls, and I will continue by adding the flowers. When structuring your flowers, there's no right or wrong way to fix them or arrange them. I'm just arranging them by color and color scheme in this particular belly sash. I'm placing more of like the purples in the center and then kind of just putting the opposite color on each end from here on out. I also wanted to mention, I've had a few subscribers ask me if I'm only going to be making unicorn things. I'm not. Hopefully I will start with the other themes here shortly. I just have like, a few more unicorn things to do. It's kind of popular right now, and I've been getting a lot of requests for these items through my shop, so just bear with me. I will be changing it up a little, but if there's any other characters or themes that you guys would like me to do certain things, let me know in the comment section. And finally, here is what it looks like with all the flowers. I just decided to add a bow in the center here. I just had this leftover ribbon from the unicorn shoes that I did, and I got this ribbon from Hobby Lobby. They currently still have it. They used to have it in blue or like a minty blue, but they don't carry it anymore. They only have the pink and gold, or at least at my local craft store, they don't have it anymore. So this is what the final sash looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if there's any other way that I can modify this or make it look better, let me know in the comment section below. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.